Sir Jing Castañeda from
Jing,
ABS-CBN again.
good
Sir, but
evening.
were you able to scrutinize the salin vis-a-vis the titles, yung mga deeds of sale, yung lahat ng iba-iba pang mga documents na, well, may kinalaman sa ari-arian niya?
Alam po ninyo, ang involved lamang doon sa kanilang complaint, hindi siya nag-file. Nakita ko na, inamin naman nila na pinasintan lang yung testigo and I made him admit na doon sa kanilang file na andun. Di pinile. O ano pang aming sasagutin po doon?
But
Yung properties, paano namin makukuha niya? Hindi naman kasama ang listahan ng properties doon eh.
But prior to the hearing, even before the hearing started, during your meetings with your clients,
Opo.
did you ever ask for all of these documents
We
and
did
scrutinize
because
them?
it is not our practice nor custom. Me in particular, na basta gagawa ka ng answer, hindi mo nakakausap yung kliyente mo and so on. That is practically inducing him to suffer a defeat in the trial of the case. Hindi po ganun. We talked to him very seriously. We asked all angles which we feel kung anong mangyayari, ganito, and he was very cooperative.
But you didn't ask him to present to you all these documents?
We did.
You did?
Oh, we went over it.
Okay.
Official po naman yun eh. Official copies yun eh.
Okay. And you didn't find anything wrong? Kasi kanina ho sa press ko ng PROSEC, may mga sinasite na silang mga undervalued, mga hindi nagmamatch na.
Hindi
So,
naman-
kayo ho, you
hindi
didn't find
naman-
anything
hindi
wrong?
naman, alam ninyo yung tumistigo, Register of Deeds lamang. Anong kinalaman ng register ba ng sa assessment? At saka it's a matter of law and public knowledge that yung assessment amount na nakalagay, ordinarily that is way below the actual market price. Di ba? Minsan ang nakalagay na halaga 3 million lamang. Pero actually, the property may be valued 10 million. Dahil yan po madalang na madalang yung ang halaga 1 million inilagay 10. Yung po doon lang sa mga swindler. Uutang sa bangko para makakuha ng malaki. Ang kanilang ihahalang ay malaki. Kaya pinalalaki yung value. Yun naman talagang ayaw magbayad ng tax na maayos kahit na malaki, pinalilit ang halaga. It depends upon the purpose, those assessment.